Is your 2009-2018 BMW 3 Series key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective DIY task, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Your BMW 3 Series key fob from models 2009-2018, including 328i, 335i, and M3, requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a common and inexpensive battery, readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Ensure you purchase a quality brand like Panasonic or Duracell to avoid compatibility issues. The batteries cost about $1 to $5. You'll only need a couple of basic tools for replacing your BMW key fob battery. A small flathead screwdriver works for prying open the fob. Ideally, use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob casing. A key ring remover can also be helpful for accessing the fob, though it's not essential. Make sure to gather these items before you begin the replacement process. Locate the small notch or seam on your key fob, usually on the back or side. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Work slowly to avoid cracks. Once the fob is open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note its orientation. The positive plus side should face up. Ensuring correct polarity is crucial for the fob to function properly. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are securely closed. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The car should respond as expected. If not, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, first ensure the battery is correctly installed and is new. While rare, the fob might need reprogramming. Try a start button sequence from your BMW manual or consult a BMW dealer if the issue persists. Dirt buildup can also cause issues. To prevent issues, avoid cheap batteries that can cause corrosion. Stick to genuine CR2032 batteries from reputable brands like Panasonic or Duracell for reliable performance. DIY battery replacement saves money, as dealer fees typically range from $50 to $150. Many BMW owners successfully perform this task themselves. This fix remains relevant for older BMW 3 Series models from 2009 to 2018. As these cars continue in use, battery replacement will be needed. The automotive trend is moving toward digital keys. Newer BMW models use smartphone apps and wireless technology, potentially phasing out physical battery-powered fobs by 2030. Consider rechargeable CR2032 batteries for a longer lifespan. These eco-friendly options reduce waste and can last up to 30% longer than disposable ones.